Assalamu alaikum kids, how are you?
Walaikum assalam. I am fine.
Welcome to English class with me, Sara. Today we are going to learn about sentences. Kids, do you know? When we speak, we use sentences. So kids, what is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that tells a complete idea. Kids, let's try to read some sentences. The pan is hot, hot, hot. The pan is hot. The pan is hot. Your turn.
The pan is hot.
Where is your book? Where is your book? Where is your book? Now it's your turn.
Where is your book?
There is a bus. Oh, see, there is a bus. There is a bus. Your turn.
There is a bus.
My bag is red. Your turn now.
My bag is red.
My doll is pretty. My doll is pretty. My doll is pretty. Your turn.
My doll is pretty.
Kids, let's repeat our today's lesson. Sentence start with a capital letter that is big, 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 not small, and ends with full stop, question mark, or exclamation mark. Sing with me. Sentence start with a capital letter, and finish with full stop or a period. Flowers are beautiful. Kids, let's pick out the group of words which are sentences and make a sense. This is book A.
No, this is not a sentence.
Yes, these group of words make no sense. Let's try to correct it. Now this sentence makes sense. Let's see another sentence. Fatima eats chocolate.
I know, it's a sentence.
Exactly. This is a complete sentence. Start with a capital letter and with full stop and also makes sense. Another sentence. Play Ahmed football.
These words make no sense.
Exactly. You are right. Let's try to correct it. Ahmed play football. Now this sentence makes sense. Kids, I hope now you all know about a sentence. Try to learn it by saying small sentences at home. For example,
I'm a girl, you're my teacher.
exactly. Thank you for watching.